What's up, everybody? It's Andrew Vos with LPT, a mega team leader, run a team in Colorado and Florida. Got started in real estate 4 years ago. And when I got started, I was not looking to be in real estate. I was just kind of just working for the government, still doing the same stuff I was working when I was in the Army, but got into real estate. And I'm forever grateful for my mentor for getting me, talking me into it. Took him 5 years. And I joined the first company that I ever knew, right? eXp. And it was an amazing 4 years. They were incredible to me, but things changed along the way. Vision changed, and our vision changed. Their vision, I feel like, changed. And there's a lot of hype around LPT versus eXp. What are the differences? So I'm going to walk you through it real quick. So the caps are similar. eXp is 16K cap, LPT 15K cap. They also have a $5,000 cap with a hybrid model. You pay per transaction. It's $500 per transaction. So you get two choices. You get to be 15K cap, or you get to be a 5,000 cap here. That is amazing. Both 80-20 splits. There's an $85 monthly fee, and there's a couple other fees with eXp. $85 a month, you have $40 per deal. You also have a $25 broker review fee. And then when you cap, you have a $250 capping fee, maxes of $5,000. So $5,000 plus your $16,000 equals $21,000. Okay, let's track that, okay? Mega teams, they have a $75 transaction fee or capping fee that never goes away. It's on every transaction. That too, or any fees you can always charge to the client if you write those into the contract, blah, 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 right? I'm not telling you how to run your business, and I don't know every state's rules and regulations, just what we do in Colorado and Florida. All right, so for LPT, there's no monthly fee. There's a $195 transaction fee on every deal, whether you're a $5,000 cap or a $15,000 cap. You can charge that to the client. You can split it with a team leader. Same thing with the $75 cap at eXp. So on our first deal of every year, we have a $500 E&O fee and a technology fee. Since we don't have any monthly fees and we don't pay per transaction on the E&O, we have a $500 per transaction fee. You get Chime if you got 5 or more team members. You get Team Chime for free. You also get Dot Loop for free, which is our transaction management / compliance software. At eXp, they use SkySlope. eXp's Icon program, you have to hit $21,000 cap. You do a $16,000 cap, plus you do 20 more units after that, which is a $250 capping fee on each one of those units until you get to 5,000, which is 20 units. And then you pay $21,000 in the company, and you get roughly $16,000 worth of company shares in stock. You get the 8,000 up front, plus you have to do culture requirements to get the last 8,000. And then you get dollar amounts per person you attract to the company. It used to be shares. Now it's dollar amounts. So it's like $200 or $400 per transaction. Here we get shares. We get 250 to 500 shares per person we attract after they close their first deal, which is the same at eXp, right? All right, so at eXp, you have the support world. A lot of people hate the world, jumping in there and trying to figure out where to go, get a broker team, all that stuff. Cool. That is eXp breakdown. Why are we different? So on every listing, we get a listing power tool pack, which is amazing. It's free on every listing. Every listing, you're showing up. You're showing the seller that what you're going to do. You're going to pass out flyers, door hangers, you got special cards, you got sign writer, that it's lead capture, all that amazing stuff. Here with the founder benefits at LPT, you get paid 5,500 to 7,000 shares of stock for our version of the Icon program called the Black Badge program. Right now it's 35 units. If you get to 35 units, it is going to adjust every year because it's the top 1% of the company. So if the top 1% is selling 50 units, then you're going to be bumped up. There's going to be a higher amount to get to the 1% or to get to the Black Badge to get your 5,500 to 7,000 shares of stock. Why is that important? $16,000 worth of stock at eXp today is about 1,333 shares. That is going to fluctuate with the price. If the price goes up on the shares, you get less shares. If the price goes down on shares, you get more shares, right? That's basic math. Here, now you're getting shares because we're so early on in the company. So if you get 7,000 shares for the next 3 years and we go public, then you are going to have 70, and we go public at $10, you're going to have $70,000 every year to cash out. That's $210, right? And if it goes to $30, boom, even more, 3 times that. Also with the Black Badge, they are matching currently right now. They have a $15,000 to a third. So they're going to match you on $15,000. So you hit Black Badge, you're going to get $15,000 in marketing spend. You spend 1,000, they match you. You spend 15,000 or 5,000, they match you on the 5,000. You spend 15,000, they're going to match on the 15,000. I don't know when that is going to go away, if it's going to be adjusted, but that is what it is right now. What does that do? That helps you grow your business. That is putting real estate first. Here, we do put real estate first. Our cap is paid by revenue share. So if you're crushing revenue share, you got to pay a $15,000 to the company. Why does that help? That actually helps with the 50% of all company dollar. At eXp, they are bleeding money. They have an SRS tax, a code that is paying for the other pet projects, Success Magazine, all the top 50 in the company that are not paying a cap or doing real estate anymore, that are just living off the rev share, which I'm not knocking. They built it. They deserve it. A lot of those people were prime agents in their day. So that is the difference. Is our support actually is a call, text, email, ticket system. Our response time is in within 5 minutes. Our result time is within 1 hour. So that is my breakdown. Why we move. We move for ground floor. We move for opportunity. We move for real estate first. Let's go.